And we're back, baby. So I want to do a quick video and show you my earnings right now before I install the antennas, and after that, we're gonna go into the future and I'm gonna show you my earnings. So right now, let me show you. This is, you guys can see I still haven't installed antenna. This is my earnings right now. So see if it's gonna focus. I think it's focusing. Okay, so on this day we have 17, the next one we have 28, the next one 25, 16, 13, 24, and 21. That's for 7 days. Now we're gonna do witnesses. Basically it tells you, over the last 5 days we have 51 hotspots with an average transmission scale of 87. Sweet. So now, since we know how much we've done, how much we've made, and the hotspots and the transmission scale, so now I'm gonna go and install the antennas, and we're gonna go into the future 7 days from now, and I'm gonna show you the difference, and at the same time I'm gonna take a picture side by side with my 8 dBi LCOM antenna, and then we're gonna jump into the future. So let me show you. So this is the box right up there. There you go. So you guys can see this is the antenna. This is my 8 dBi antenna. This is the box I'm in. So like I said, so now I'm gonna grab this antenna, go upstairs, well, not upstairs, go to my friend and install my DU antenna right next to my LCOM antenna. I'm gonna show a picture probably right up here so you guys can see them, and yeah, and then I'm gonna jump into the future and show you my earnings for the last 7 days. So let's do it. Okay guys, well, this is the future. So we 7 days have been passed, so now I can show you my earnings. And yeah, I honestly didn't expect that, especially since I built the antenna with my 2 hands, and yeah, I mean, I don't manufacture antennas, I don't build antennas. I really didn't know what I'm doing, but I was following this guy on YouTube, showing you how to build this type of an antenna, and I was like, why not, let's do it. And yeah, now I'm gonna show the results and we'll see if we did better than before, better than original antenna. Without further ado, let me show you what happened after 7 days, and you guys can decide, was it good, was it bad? Let me know down in the comments what you guys think, and if you guys are planning to do the same build of that antenna. So you guys can see, for the past 7 days, it shows on the bottom left, like right here, that we have 25% increase of earnings. So you guys need to go back and roll the rewards to see if there's any difference, but I think we did make more. So the first day we have 22, the second day after installation we have 26, 0.3, 0.33, 0.26, 0.24, 0.36. This is total rewards for the past 7 days. And actually we can go on the 14. You guys can see, these 7 days here, was the ones that I've used 8 dBi antenna, you know, the stick, and then after installation of my directional homemade DUI antenna, this is the rewards after that. So yeah and all the earnings. So now let's see the hotspot witnesses. You guys can see for the last 5 days this hotspot has witnessed beacons from 33 hotspots. It seems like I'm getting less hotspots. Now I'm witnessing less people, but I have better rewards. You guys can, I guess, figure that out, but I don't know. You guys can see, you know, it shows me that I have 25% positive, you know, from the previous week. I guess go figure. But yeah, I'm seeing, you know, it looks like maybe half from before. So yeah, it's like, I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments, you know, because for me it doesn't make sense. Yeah guys, so this is the reality. You guys see, I'm seeing less hotspots, but I'm making more HNT, more money. I don't know, I'm confused. If you guys know what's the deal, because you know, looking other hotspots, of my understanding is if you're seeing more hotspots, you will make more HNT because you have a better coverage. But in this case, I'm seeing less hotspots and I'm making more rewards, so I'm getting better coverage somehow. I don't know, it's weird. If you guys know, put it down in the comments because I'm confused. I have no idea. But it seems like, on my understanding, if you have a directional antenna and you're hitting less people but with better signal, you're getting better rewards. Instead of having an antenna where it covers a big bubble around you, but that signal it's distorted, you know, it's not clear, I guess. Even if you're seeing more hotspots, you will get less rewards because your coverage is not clear, of my understanding. I don't know. If you guys know the answer, put it down in the comments because I'm confused. I mean, for right now, I'm happy because my DUI antenna makes more money than the original antenna that I bought from Neykov. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And it's too late because I'm repeating myself. It's midnight and I'm making another update. I'm tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget, if I can do it, you guys can do it. Bye.